All right, I just got a box from Amazon and I pre-tore open. I'm gonna unbox this right now. I know there's dog food in here, so let's get past the dog food. What is this? It's the new book, Dana and the Lost Lizard. I got the sample copies to check out to make sure I can approve these, which I will look at in a moment here, but boy, this looks really good already, I can tell you. I am excited for everybody to get their hands on this book. This took a while. A lot of work from Nick Lambro on this book here. This is cool. It's coming out October 7th. Dana and the Lost Lizard. Check it out.